times like these, we learn to love memes again. We got to give back to the community of people who just want to laugh. So here we are visiting Reddit/r/programmer humor. Yeah, okay, let's have a look. Let's have a laugh. Let's get into some programming memes. Programming. Okay, here we go. What do we got? Top of the meme list. It reminds me of Chris Nolan's short film. Dad, there is a recursion under my bed. What do we got? Well, I don't know. I don't know what else I thought it would be, but Dad, there's a recursion under my bed. We're going to run out of memory. Stack Overflow. All right. Startups be like, which language should we use for this new project? The trendiest, the coolest, the one most of us know. Yeah, throw that guy out. Trendiest and coolest only languages. It doesn't need to be easy or proper. It just needs to be trendy. That's how you get projects done. You just pick the trendiest language and boom, you're pretty much automatically done without even programming, just because the trend. You just got to make a little article and say, hey, we're making a new project. We're using this language, and the project finishes itself. Don't even have to learn it. This guy coining recursion until a terminating cast is met. All right, let's have a read. If I had a nickel for every time I got confused, I'd be like, where'd this nickel come from? And there'd be another nickel, and I'd think, what's with the nickels? Leading to more nickels and confusion, and eventually I'd slowly be crushed by nickels without ever knowing why. That's what programming is like sometimes. You're just, lost in those abstractions, and you're going deeper and deeper and deeper, and then you find out way at the bottom that it just does nothing except crush you, to crush your ability to learn the code base. All right, Comrade Python. Other languages, you can make your classes private or public. Python, our class. Okay, I don't fully understand this meme, but it still makes me laugh just because this rabbit's face. It's amazing. When your worst developers decide to pair program, apes together strong. Why does everyone rag on pair programming so much? They say like half the product, or you get the productivity of one person with two people. I feel like there's some benefit to it, but I get it. I get it. Everyone wants to prove they're independent. I can prove I'm useful. I can prove it. I'm independent. Thus, I'm useful. I don't know if it's really like that. Let us not forget those who showed us the way. See, oh, oh, this is a wholesome meme right here. This is one I can get behind. I don't know if I agree with the orange turtle. Who's the orange turtle? I should know this. Is it Raphael? Being C++. I feel like it should be Donatello. I don't know. Donatello being C# is pretty accurate too. I'm pretty. Is this Michelangelo? I forget. I haven't watched Turtles in years. It's been too long. I purge my memory every year. Okay, let's see what we got here. I do be like that. What tech people think scientists need help with, and what scientists actually need. Okay, what tech people think scientists need help with. All right, all right. I feel like this one's going to hit home, but we'll see. Please, our data is too complex. Can your magical machine minds unearth the patterns that lie within? We shall marshal our finest algorithms. A few weeks in June, the lab was infested by wasps, so we had to take pictures of the equipment through the window. How do you get graphs from Polaroid photo into Excel? Polaroid photos to Excel. Photos in Excel? Okay, whatever. I don't quite see why this is. I kind of get it, but I don't think it's hitting home. It's not hitting close enough to home. I'll give it a half a star. Half a star. The cat looks at the rain and sits on the code that draws it all. This is just something I would like. I want to have an animated background of this. I'm not sure why this is humor, other than, cats do this, but okay, that was cool. I'm gonna go with that's cool. Not sure why it's funny. Also, cats are overrated. Oh man, here come the downvotes. Here come the downvotes. No, I like cats. I just don't like owning a cat because then you have to scoop a litter box every day and feed it and get scratched and there's fur everywhere and fur gets in your hold on, I pressed a button. Then fur gets in your mouse thing and makes it go crazy. We lost our space. We lost our spot. I guess that's the end of the video. I guess no, we gotta go. We got four more minutes. We gotta go a little further. Okay. Debugging be like 8 hours later. Yes. This is exactly like it. Why is debugging so hard? Why are programs so buggy? Why is everyone writing so many bugs? There's a lot of reasons for it. Oh man. Yeah, I was once stuck on a. Everybody has a stuck on a bug story. Leave your stuck on a bug story down below, and remove that downvote from me saying I didn't want a cat, and change it into an upvote. Turn the button you want me to turn blue. Yeah, sound muted. That's fine though. We don't need sound. All you need is my voice. That's definitely all you need. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Yeah. What bugs me with bugs is when it's only a buggy on one compiler and on other ones it's fine. That's what gets me. That drives me crazy because it's like you just can't you just work on the other one if you work on this one? All right. Choose your router. Know the work rules. Appropriate. Cisco. Nice data, Susan. Oh, you're sweet. Nice data, Susan. Oh, it's Huawei. Inappropriate. Hello, government? Hello, government? Huawei's spying on me. Not that funny. Whatever. Time travel. Andrew Trask. If you were dropped 2,000 years back in time with nothing but the knowledge you have now, what would you do? Warn them about JavaScript. Here we go. Here we go. Everybody hating JavaScript. I've been guilty, but I don't hate it anymore. I think JavaScript's probably okay. It's like a trend to not like it. It's like Nickelback. JavaScript is the Nickelback of programming languages. I'll let someone else figure that out. Okay. 0.1 plus 0.2 equals 0.3000004. JavaScript. I think every language does that. I'm pretty sure that happens everywhere. That's a weird thing to still have a problem with in this day and age though, but I remember reading about it and hearing about it multiple times about why, but I always forget. It's basically something to do with the bytes and the bits. But yeah, it's a thing. That's why you always got to have a margin of error when you're adding floats. Cast it into test. Why shouldn't it go to prod? Cast it into test. Test it. No. Merged. Beautiful. Me rereading the code I wrote a month ago. Oh god, yeah. Yeah, this is me every time. I'm always like, what was I thinking? What is this syntax? Who wrote this? Oh, I did. Committed 1 month ago. Oh, man. Oh, man. They're hitting close to home today. They're just hitting real close. I need this shirt. Programmer. And programmer. An organism that turns caffeine and pizza into software. Yeah, that's how the meme goes. Everybody thinks we just drink caffeine and eat pizza. And I'm here to tell you that that's true. Except pizza can be substituted with any easy food. The thing is, you see, programmers don't want to waste time cooking. We're too busy, so we just order a pizza, throw a pizza in the oven, forget about it, let it burn a little bit because we forgot about it and didn't set a timer. Unless you're a pro programmer and you program your timer into what you're writing, and I don't know. I was trying to go somewhere with that, but I'm just gonna abandon that joke. Uh, yeah, yeah. It's just this is too trendy to be funny anymore. Open source is communism for softwares. Change my mind. I'm not going to get political here. I refuse to get political here on Code Tech Tutorials. Thumbs up for non-political content. I only care about our well-being and our knowledge. I don't care about what you think of, yeah, political stuff. You coming or not? Get in, loser. We're going straight to production. Oh, I don't know why I laughed so much at that. I think it's the look on this girl's face. I don't know what movie this is. I feel like this is Clueless or something. I don't know. Development in a nutshell. Front end. Let's just cut it off right there. Front end. Yeah, it's a nice picture. And then back end. Yeah, yeah, it did too be like that. That's pretty accurate, or at least you try. I think for most programmers though, the back end and the front end will look like this whole octopus thing because unless you're a front end developer, you don't really care about the interface. You just need it to work and make a little bit of sense, but you don't need it to be like pretty because who's gonna care if it's pretty? Who's gonna care other than everybody who looks at it? Project managers after seeing a competent developer. I can milk you. Oh God. Oh God. This is so true. Joshua Fluke will tell you that this is true. He will tell you. Go ask him. Ask him if this meme's true or not. And he'll say, yeah, this is how it works. He'll make a video about it. Day in the life of a project manager seeing a competent developer. Bust out them udders. Let's get some milk out of this guy. He can write the whole code base in one day with no errors. Push it straight to production. We'll just milk all that. We'll just absorb all the money. Give him $10 an hour. That'll do. We'll make like $120. We'll make like 120 million. It's a good deal. Milk it. All right, last one. Today I experienced this. When you use shift to capitalize the first letter, but the caps lock is already on. I should not laugh so hard at this, but it looks so funny. This is how people do the insane memes. He should have done that with all this text. That would have been funnier. Yeah, I do this all the time. I do it all the time because there's like so many things that require all caps, and you just hit caps lock and then type the word. Like when you're using CMake or something, you just hit caps, type the word, and then when you go on and try to do a normal sentence or something, yeah, this happens. Is that Adam Sandler? I think it's Adam Sandler. All right, guys, that's it. That's it for this episode of Programming Humor, Programming Memes, whatever I ended up calling it in the title. I don't know. We'll see. So don't forget to do all the stuff. Help support this channel. Help support the memes. If you had a laugh, let me know. Let me do, I don't know, all the normal stuff people say. Appreciate everyone. Appreciate the views. Appreciate the comments. I do. I read them. I try to respond unless I don't know what to say. And then I might respond and just be like, huh? Or not, All right. See you in the next episode. Peace out.